Hey, what's going on YouTube? Marvin Kicks here. Just bringing you something slightly different today. I've been traveling in Australia. My in-laws live in Brisbane, so I've been here for about a couple of weeks. And I've been throwing down some videos, which has been nice. I've had a bit of time, so it's been really good. I really want to get a bit more consistent with YouTube, and I know I say that probably every 3 months whenever I post a video and I haven't posted one for a while. I'm like, I want to be more consistent, and I never do. But yeah, I'm just nailing out some videos as I get the chance, and there's some unboxing videos I want to do, some collections videos I want to do. So I'm hoping I'm going to get to that. It's really about finding time and prioritizing. But here are the 3 pairs that I brought on holiday. In Brisbane it's really hot. It's been like 30, 32 degrees, 33 degrees Celsius, and so it is summer. And so really I've been hitting the jandals quite a bit. Jandals, thongs if you're in Australia, which is really weird. I don't know why they call them thongs, but I don't know what you call them in other countries, maybe slides or something. Slides are really the slip-on ones though, aren't they? But here are 3 pairs that I brought on holiday, and yeah, drop in the comments what you guys normally take, how many pairs you take. Bit of a squeeze, but it is what it is. First of all, the 990 V4 in grey. Love these, thanks to New Balance Vancouver. My people over there who sent them out to me, you guys are the real deal. And since I've got this pair, since I've seen this pair, I loved it. It's obviously got that old man shoe vibe, which is sort of like hype right now, which is, I don't know, I prefer things not to be hype when I'm wearing them. I'm not really into hype. I wouldn't call myself a hype beast or anything like that. Obviously I rock New Balance, which isn't, I guess, the most popular. But yeah, this is just a great shoe. Classic, comfortable, looks really good. So I had to take these along. I've just been wearing these all the time since I got them. So great shoe. And so many good pairs coming out. Those Nubuck ones that just dropped, so good. Oh, the Nimbus Cloud obviously is a really nice colorway. The Stussy collab is great. So many good pairs, and I need to track down some more. Then next up is the New Balance 247. This is one of the earlier releases. I think the first 247 Classic release, I believe it's called. Just a black and white colorway. I've beaten these up. As you can see, it's sort of like mesh is coming apart from the midsole. I've worn these like heaps. As you can see, the sole is like beaten up, but these are just my go-to shoes. Lightweight, mesh, breathable. I can run in them if I need to. I actually had a run in them last night, and they're pretty good actually for running. Not that I would recommend running in them, but it was what I had, so I did it. But yeah, just simple, black, white, easy shoe to wear. So yeah, and then I wanted something that looked a bit more. Sorry, I show the shoe and then I stop talking, and it's really weird. Something that's a bit more, I guess, a little bit more dressed up, a little bit more of a clean look. And I love the Clave Bradley. This is a great model. Yeah, leather upper, and just some really nice details on the shoe, and just a great shoe. I really like what Clave have been doing. I haven't picked up many Clave, to be honest. It's actually my first and only pair. I don't know, if I had crazy amounts of money, then I probably would buy more, but my money ends up just being spent on New Balance, mainly 1300s. But yeah, these are my 3 shoes that I brought on holiday. And then there had to be one more bonus pair, the 1300 JP. As you can see, these ones have taken a beating. I wear these all the time. This is, surprisingly enough, probably my most worn shoe. Maybe not surprising because it's my favourite shoe. But I do have a dead stock pair on ice, so I'm not really too worried about beating these up. This is the JP2, the 2015 release. But yeah, it ended up being what I had on feet when I drove down, because I flew out from Auckland, not from Whangarei, where I'm from. And so I was wearing these, and obviously they had to come in the bag. I sort of just take these everywhere. I sort of can't go anywhere without them. So really it's 4 pairs of shoes, not 3 pairs of shoes, but hey, who's counting? So yeah, that's what I took on holiday. Maybe interesting, maybe not interesting at all. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop in the comments what you guys normally take when you're traveling. What are some key shoes that you take? What is your go-to? And yeah, have a good one.